you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, finally we are up with the second episode. This is a A2 German mistakes in sentence structures video. I hope you have watched the part 1. If you haven't, then I will be putting link here. Make sure to watch it. In this video we'll have a conversation. Like, it's not a conversation, it's just a topic that yesterday the student was absent, so he or she will be making the whole sentences for that. So it will be a random sentences, so all the mistakes whatever it is there, she gonna correct it paragraph wise, and it will be super helpful for you because I think you are also doing the same mistake. Then we thought, why not to share this solutions, the tips and tricks videos with you. So here we are with the second episode. We will be coming with the third and the fourth episode. I hope you will be super excited. Without wasting time, let's get started. And
Hallo Shrestha.
Hallo Ma'am.
Wo warst du gestern?
Ich bin gestern nicht ins Institut gekommen, weil ich sehr krank. Ich hatte auch Kopf- und Halsschmerzen. Ich habe mich zu Hause gehört. Danach habe ich zum Arzt gegangen und er hat mir vor ein paar Tagen Medikamente gibt.
Also fühlst du jetzt besser?
Ja, jetzt fühle ich etwas besser.
Okay, und was hat der Arzt gesagt?
Er hat mir gesagt, gesund zu essen und zu ruhen.
Also sehr schön, dann mach's gut und bleibt gesund. Aber es gibt viele Fehler. Okay? I would like to tell you what were the mistakes.
Okay.
So the first one was you have used the connector while. Okay? Whenever we use while, the sentence structure is subject, verb, object, then your connector while, then subject, then object, then verb. It means the verb goes at the end.
At the end.
And you didn't even use the verb.
War. Yeah,
You forgot to use the verb. So the sentence will be weil ich sehr krank war. Okay? So this was your first mistake. So please work on your sentence structure. And then you have used danach, but again there was some mistake in your sentence structure. So the correction is danach bin ich.
Bin ich.
And one more. You have framed a sentence in perfect and your verb was given. Okay? So what did you use? Instead of given, you used gift.
Gift.
जो perfect होता है उसका sentence structure होता है your subject, second place पर sein or haben, then your object, and the page-wise form of the verb goes at the end. So what she did, instead of using given, you used gift. That was your mistake.
Okay.
Apart from this, everything was correct, but of course there were so many pronunciations mistake. For example, you used a word medicamente. So you got stuck in that word, right?
Yeah, right.
So you need to work on your vocabulary and the pronunciations. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so take your medicines on time and stay healthy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, das war alles. And cheers, auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
So guys, how was this second episode of this series? I hope you're enjoying. I hope you're loving it because we are ultimately loving it while shooting. We'll catch you with the B1 episode. Till then, take care, cheers, and keep learning German with German Gyan. Cheers!